La Nina has wide-scale impacts across the globe, and for us here in North America, United States, we've had a more active hurricane season this year, and it's because of La Nina. I'll show that in a second, but I want to show you this. We've gotten about one more tropical storm than normal, about two more hurricanes than normal, and about one more major hurricane than was expected typically for a hurricane season. Now, we know we're in a La Nina because there are stronger winds in the equatorial Pacific. And what that means is there's more cool air being brought up, being upwelled, like literally brought up from below the ocean's surface off of the coast of South America. That is a little trigger and a little bit of a tell that we are in a La Nina. And what that does down the line is create less wind shear for us here in the tropical Atlantic. Storms do not like wind shear, it tears them up. So if we expect less wind shear, that means more storms could potentially form. With El Nino, it's pretty much the exact opposite. Warmer than normal waters over the equatorial Pacific, more wind shear in the tropical Atlantic. And now that we're entering and nearing the winter months, 2 more months until winter, we also have impacts to our temperatures and rainfall as well. We're expecting a drier than normal winter because of it, because we're entering a La Nina pattern. The jet stream is a little bit further north, meaning fewer cool air outbreaks for us here in the southeast. And if we take a look at what the Climate Prediction Center is thinking over the next 3 months, so pretty much during winter, above normal for us here in the southeast and also for the desert south and west. Now, precipitation, we expect drier than normal conditions too, because in the winter times, the jet stream really does help activate these systems that come in from the Pacific and basically makes it more rainier. But with La Nina, that doesn't happen as much. So in the south and east, we usually get drier than normal conditions, and our friends at the Climate Prediction Center are thinking the same thing. Now, if we're expecting warmer weather and also drier weather, that also probably means that we shouldn't expect a lot of snowfall as well. Just another thing that we'll watch, and we'll see if we get any of that white stuff as we head into the winter months. And we certainly do need the rainfall. Any sort of precipitation is definitely needed. We need about 15 to 20 inches of rain here in Starkville. In the Delta, it's a little much worse, and also for the Midwest as well. So this could be a problem as we head towards the winter months of the rainfall that we need and the dry conditions that may persist into the new year.